Good day to us all. God bless us all. Bible verses. The growing trend of the world during end times. Number 1. Global travel. Daniel 12 verse 4. Global. Number 2. Global expansion of knowledge. Daniel 12 verse 4. Number 3. Global weather gone wild. Luke 21 verse 25 to 26. Number 4. Global telecom and television. Revelation 11 verse 9 to 10. Revelation 17 verse 8. Global evangelism. Matthew 24 verse 14. Number 5. Global pestilences. Matthew 24 verse 7. Number 7. Global digital money. Global tracking and positioning. Revelation 13 verse 16 to 17. Number 8. Weapons of mass destruction. Matthew 24 verse 21 to 22. And number 9, last but not the least, global desire of peace, prosperity, and materialism. Additional Bible verses. Hebrew 13 verse 14 to 16. And it implies it's not our permanent world. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless us all, and to God be the glory forever. Love and peace to each and every one of us. Thank you so much for watching this content of mine. Always remember, guys, be steadfast in your faith to our Creator, because salvation is at hand. To God be the glory forever. And again, thank you so much to each and every one of you who can finish this content of mine. Take care, and God bless us all. Amen.